Assalamu alaikum everyone. We are here with the new learning session and now we are about to start with the that same geography contest. And we have, mashallah, three awesome children, three awesome, amazing, energetic children here. I would like them to introduce themselves. Asmi, can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, of course. My name is Mohammad Asmi. I am 12 years and I study in Akbar Public School, class 6.
Very good.
Class
Okay.
7, sorry.
Okay.
And my age is 12.
Mashallah. Mashallah, Asmi, you are such an amazing child. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yourself? Ahmed?
My name is Mohammad Ahmed and I am 12 years old. I study in Army Public School Faisal in class 7.
Very good. Okay. Then?
Hello, my name is Aga Mohammad Zain. I am 10 years old and I study in the city school, class 5.
Very good. Excellent. Now, we are starting with the contest. Here are the rules. We are going to have 3 rounds, okay? First will be of question and answer round. Second will be of capitals. And third one is about the maths. Since you are, mashallah, grown up, big children, mashallah, से तो फिर आप तैयार हैं आपके लिए थोड़े से मुश्किल questions रखे रेहान आंटी ने.
Yeah.
Okay, Azmir, you are going to answer me first. So Ahmed and Zain, please both of you mute yourself.
Okay.
Azmir. Okay. Azmir, question number 1. Can you please name the 5 oceans of the world?
Yes, of course. At first, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Indian Ocean.
Excellent. Very good. Clap, 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 clap for Azmir. You can give the digital clap also. See, can you see my screen here on the top? Digital clap is there. Very good, Azmir. Okay, Azmir, question number 2. In which country would you find Leaning Tower of Pisa?
Italy, Rome.
Oh,
Rome.
great. Yes, Italy. Yes, Rome. Excellent. Very good, Azmir. Okay, Azmir, which is the largest waterfall in the world?
Victoria Waterfall.
Okay, बड़ी अच्छी तैयारी करके आए हैं अजमीर. It is आपने जो भी मैंने ऑडियो वीडियोस भेजी हैं या एप्स भेजी तो बड़ा अच्छा काम किया है माशाल्लाह. That's great. Okay, now this one is little tricky. Okay, which countries share the longest borders in the world?
America and Canada.
Excellent. Okay, which is the world's biggest port?
South Pole.
No. Which is the world's biggest port? P-O-R-T, port.
Port. Okay. China.
China port. Excellent. Clap, clap, clap for Azmir, Zain and Ahmed. Aren't you happy for your friend? He answered, mashallah, all questions very well. Azmir, you have done a marvelous job, mashallah. Now, the second turn. Okay, Azmir, now you have to mute yourself. And Mohammad Ahmed, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes.
Okay, Ahmed, are you ready?
Yes.
Show me a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Your energy? Yes, that's great. Okay, fine. Okay, question number 1. Sorry. What are the only 2 countries to have a land border with the America?
Canada and Mexico.
Excellent. Canada and Mexico are the only 2 countries jinki borders America se milti hai. Very good. Okay, which country is called the land of rising sun?
Japan.
Oh, wow. Clap, digital clap, please. Digital clap. Yana auntie will also give you the digital clap. Very good. Okay. Which rainforest makes up around half of the world's remaining rainforest? पूरी दुनिया के रेन फॉरेस्ट,
Amazon rainforest.
Amazon rainforest. Excellent, Ahmed. माशाल्लाह, सबने बहुत अच्छी तैयारी करके आए. हाँ, that's great. Okay, which are the 7 continents from largest to smallest? Means we all know the 7 continents, okay? But here you have to tell me the sequence of largest to smallest continent.
Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia.
Excellent, माशाल्लाह, याद है. अच्छा, यहाँ मैं आपकी बात बताऊं, to tell you very true, मुझे नहीं याद है, मुझे याद नहीं होते ये सीक्वेंस, याद नहीं होते मुझसे. Excellent. See, that is we call the children are very intelligent these days. माशाल्लाह, आप लोगों को जो बात बताई जाए बहुत अच्छी तरीके से आप लोग याद कर लेते हैं, ग्रास्प कर लेते हैं और मेमोरी में फिट भी हो जाता है. That's great. Okay, the last question, Ahmed, which is colder, a North Pole or a South Pole?
South Pole.
South Pole is the coldest. Very good. Clap for Ahmed. Now Zain's turn. Ahmed, can you please mute yourself? Thank you, Ahmed. Okay, Zain. Zain already unmuted himself. Very good, Zain. Efficient. Okay, Zain. Which continent, known as dark continent?
Africa.
Africa, known as the dark continent. Excellent. Okay, how many deserts does Africa have?
3.
3. Can you please name them?
Sahara, Namib, and Kalahari.
Excellent. Very good. Mashallah. Where is the digital clap for Zan? Here it is. Okay. Okay, which river flows through the rainforest in Brazil?
Amazon River.
Very good. Okay. What is the second name of Netherlands?
Holland.
Very good. Now the last one. Which country has pyramids older than Egypt?
Sudan.
Sudan. Excellent. Wow. Mashallah. ये तो मुझे अमेज कर रहे हैं बच्चे, बहुत अच्छी तैयारी की है माशाल्लाह से. Okay, are you ready for the second round?
Yes.
Yes, we are ready.
Yes, very good. The second round is going to be so much fun. Fine. Okay, I'm sharing my screen here. Can you all see my screen?
I was the first.
Wait.
The Russia, Moscow. Moscow is the capital of Russia.
Meri Jaan, wait. I'm just asking, can you see the screen, all of you? Ahmed, Zain, Azmir, can you see the screen?
Yes, we
Yes.
can see the screen.
Okay. That's great. Now, Zain and Ahmed, please mute yourself. It's Azmir's turn. Azmir will reply first. Okay. Azmir, sorry. I'm going to show you capitals and their names. You have options also there. You have to select one option, and I'm going to ask you 5 questions. Okay, Azmir? Are you ready?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now start. Capital
Russia,
of
Moscow.
Russia. Excellent. Moscow. Afghanistan's capital.
Kabul.
Kabul. Nepal's capital.
Kathmandu.
Kathmandu. Georgia's capital.
Tbilisi.
Excellent. Lebanon's.
Lebanon. Beirut.
Wow. Lebanon's is Beirut? Wait, let me check. Yes, excellent. Very good. All 5 questions you have answered correctly. Azmir, excellent. Very good. Okay, Ahmed, are you ready, Ahmed?
Yes.
Acha. Ahmed, your first question is this. Bahrain's capital name is?
Manama.
Panama. Very good. Okay. What is the name, capital of Iran? What is the capital of Iran?
Tehran.
Tehran. Excellent. Capital of Oman is
Muscat.
Muscat. Very good. And capital of Vietnam is
Hanoi.
okay. Very good. Capital of Syria is
Damascus.
excellent. MashaAllah. That's great. It means you. अच्छा मुझे बताइए आप तीनों आप लोग को फन आया था while working on these apps?
Yes.
I did.
यस बहुत ज्यादा पसंद आया बल्कि हमने तो दूसरे ऐप्स भी किए मैंने दूसरे ऐप्स भी डाउनलोड किए थे और उनसे भी खेला
Excellent, Azmeer. This is what I want from you. कि आप लोगों की knowledge मतलब माशाल्लाह से vast आप knowledge. Why to limit yourself from only to the one app, only to the one video? Why not to go and search for all the things? Geography is such a big subject. आप बहुत search कर सकते हैं. Great. Okay, Ahmed. Excellent. You have answered all 5 correctly. Now, Zen, it's your turn.
Yes.
Okay, Zen, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Your first question is capital of Japan is
Tokyo.
Tokyo. Capital of Saudi Arabia is
Riyadh.
Riyadh. Capital of Uzbekistan is
Tashkent.
Tashkent. Capital of Maldives is
Male.
very good. Okay, मतलब उर्दू में हम इसे माली कहते हैं, माली या मली कहते हैं. Maldives English में मेल. Very good.
Yes.
What is the capital of Yemen?
Sana.
Sana. Very good. माशाल्लाह. भाई मुझे तो लग रहा है ये कॉन्टेस्ट टाई होने जा रहा है. All 3 of you have done excellent job in all 2 rounds. Mashallah. Now the third and the last round. Are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
yes we are ready and so excited also
Okay.
we are so excited
Okay, Azmi. Now first, of course, आप पहले जाएंगे. So, are you ready? Now, Azmi,
yes
this is the continent of North
it's
America.
the continent North America yeah
Exactly. So, can you see the arrow? The arrow is moving, huh?
yes
अब मैं
I
जहाँ
can
point
see
जहाँ मैं pointed करूँगी arrow, you have to tell me the name of that country. ये map भी है, ये किस
Okay.
country का map है, okay? Can you tell me this? Which country is this?
United States of America
Excellent. Oh my God, that's great. अच्छा नॉर्थ अमेरिका है बट बड़ा इजी क्योंकि सिर्फ 3-4 ही कंट्रीज है ज्यादा है नहीं वहाँ पे. ओके
नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं है जब मैंने पढ़ा था तो इतनी सारी कंट्रीज निकली है मुझे भी लगता था 5-6 लेकिन बहुत सारी कंट्रीज निकली हैं इतने छोटे छोटे चैलेंज से
छोटे छोटे से बहुत याद आते हैं ना बट लेकिन बड़ा मजेदारी है कि उसमें लार्जर से बड़े अच्छे तरीके से याद हो जाता है. ओके ये तो हो गया अमेरिका यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका. राइट ऑन टॉप ऑफ यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका व्हिच कंट्रीज मैप इज दिस?
दिस इज कनाडा
कनाडा. एक्सीलेंट. अभी देखो क्वेश्चन भी आया था फर्स्ट राउंड में कि इस पूरी दुनिया में which 2 countries are sharing the largest borders? See अभी आपके सामने मौजूद है. ये देखिए सबसे ज्यादा बड़ी लंबी बॉर्डर कनाडा और अमेरिका की. इतनी बड़ी और किसी की नहीं. देख लिया है ना? Okay. Ajmer, here I'm going to ask you only 3 maps, huh? Okay. First, second, now 3. This third one, the white one. Can you see this? Tell me.
Maldives oh it's
Take your time, relax.
Mexico it's Mexico
Excellent. Mexico. Wow. See, it means कि बहुत अच्छी तरीके से लर्न किया था, याद किया था और सोच के जवाब दिया है. Very good. Excellent, Azmeer. Nice job. Now, Ahmed. Ahmed, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes.
Azmeer, this is the map of Africa continent. Okay, ये Africa है. So can you please tell me which country's map is this or which country is this on the top of this Africa?
Libya.
Yes, Libya. Can please wait? Okay. Okay. Now second one. Which country is this? This one.
It's
Try. It's okay if you don't remember. I can switch the question. मैं दूसरा पूछ लेती हूँ.
okay.
Okay. Now the third one. This last one. Country is this. ये अफ्रीका में सबसे बॉटम में लास्ट में बड़ा पॉपुलर है. इसकी क्रिकेट टीम भी है.
Republic Africa.
South Africa. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Can you answer me this one? ये जो छोटा सा साइड के ऊपर है. This one is Saudi Arabia. और Saudi Arabia के बाद जब स्टार्ट होता है अफ्रीका, ऑलमोस्ट साथ साथ है ये वाला. शाबाश. Try. It's okay, Ahmed. Clap for Ahmed. Okay, very good. And yet, Ahmed, I would like to tell you the answer also. This one is Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC. Okay, and this one is Eritrea. Okay, but very good, Ahmed. Excellent. I want all of you to clap for Ahmed, please. He did his best, you know. Mashallah. Okay, Zen. Are you ready, Zen?
Yes, Mr. Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Since this was not in like, fine. Can you please tell me this white one? Which country's map is this? The white one.
Mongolia.
Mongolia. Excellent. And right on top of Mongolia, which this largest one? Which country's map?
Russia.
Excellent. And down to the Mongolia, beneath Mongolia, this one is?
China.
Excellent. Clap for Zen also. I'm so amazed, children. माशाल्लाह आप लोगों ने इतना अच्छा तैयारी की थी कि I'm literally like I'm so happy कि मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं रोने लग जाऊंगी. माशाल्लाह से आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छी तैयारी की. बट ये तैयारी यहाँ रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. जैसे अजमीर ने कहा, I have downloaded many more apps after working on those 2 apps which I have given to you. So this shows enthusiasm. You have to show this enthusiasm. And अजमीर कितना मजा आया होगा ना, कितनी नई information से मिली होंगी आपको, है ना?
Yes.
कितनी नई चीजें.
Yes, of course. I knew about many other small islands which I can't see them. I zoom them. Then I can see them of any country, but they were not. They were a little islands.
Exactly. See, सबसे पहले हमें सिर्फ यही पता था कि 7 continents होते हैं. एशिया के किसी मेजर बड़े कंट्रीज के नेम्स पता थे, या लंदन, अमेरिका, मेजर. बट अब जब वर्क करना स्टार्ट किया, कितना मजा आया, कितनी सारी चीजें पता चली हैं. और कीप ऑन वर्किंग विद दिस एप्स, फिर आपको और बहुत सारी पता चलेंगी. Emma, what about you, dear?
I had a lot of fun in finding new things, and it really increased my knowledge.
Very good. See, you don't need to stop over here, okay? I want you to please keep on working with these apps. And then, what is your review about it?
I actually learned something new because when I was working on the apps, I thought Jamaica was in Asia. But when I zoomed into the islands of North America, I saw that Jamaica was there.
Oh,
So as Azmir said, Jamaica is one of the small islands in North America.
North America. Excellent, children. Here we are done with this our contest. I want all of you to please clap for yourselves. Come on, clap. Everyone is a winner. Everyone worked so hard, and everyone is a winner here. Right? The main
Thank you.
main
Thank you.
concept here is
Thank you, Kiranani.
Thank you, Mary. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you so much. Okay, the main
Thank you,
concept.
Kiranani.
Okay,
Thank you, Rihanna.
okay. Allah Hafiz.